Thyroid cancer is a disease which is caused by the growth of abnormal cells in your thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped organ located in the base of your neck, which secretes the hormones that control metabolism, the way your body uses energy. Breathing, heart rate, body weight, muscle strength, menstrual cycles, body temperature, etc. are all functions regulated by the thyroid gland. Thyroid cancer affects all age groups, though it is most common after age 30. In Ghana, the annual mortality rate per 100,000 people from thyroid cancer has increased by 5.8% since 1990, an average of 0.3% a year, according to healthgrove.com. In 2012, about 230,000 new cases of thyroid cancer were recorded among women and 70,000 among men. The most visible symptom of thyroid cancer is the thyroid nodule. Other common signs include a hoarse voice, ear and neck pain, enlarged lymph nodes, trouble swallowing, weight loss, sore throat, and persistent cough. Although the exact cause of most thyroid cancers is unknown, certain changes in a person's DNA can cause thyroid cells to become cancerous. Thyroid cancer is deadly, but also curable. Meet Jeremie Garshong, an unapologetic thyroid cancer survivor.
So I woke up one morning and there was a tiny little thing. I didn't think it was anything really because it looked like just a little bump in the throat, So a friend of mine was the one who saw it and she was like, "What's that?" And I was like, "Oh, it's nothing. It's like probably my Adam's apple or whatever." I mean, girls don't really have Adam's apple, but I just sort of felt, it's nothing really. It'll pass. But a week later, it was still there. A month later, it was still there.
Exposure to radiation, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, vitamin A deficiency, poor dental hygiene, poor diet are common risk factors of thyroid cancer. Jeremie tells us she became more health conscious after her diagnosis.
I got very health conscious. So I was drinking a lot more water, which I wasn't doing before. I was eating more fruits and vegetables, which I wasn't doing before. They were laughing at me at work because all of a sudden my diets and everything changed. If you begin to sense that there's anything unusual about, any part of your body or whatever, you do need to go to the hospital and you do need to check because you do need to know what's going on. If you don't know, then you're just living and it's growing and whatever's happening is getting intense.
Treatment options for thyroid cancer include surgery to remove the thyroid gland, radioactive iodine treatment, and chemotherapy. In Ghana, it will cost between 4,000 to 5,000 cedis for tests and at most 10,000 to 12,000 cedis for a thyroidectomy. Thyroid cancer can be prevented by early diagnosis. Feeling depressed, anxious, or worried is normal when you have thyroid cancer, but you can seek help from professional counselors, support groups, family, and friends.